3a, okay, you can use the, so I'm trying to show you how many ways you can solve simultaneous equations. So you use elimination, right? Or substitution, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so these two manual method. Okay, and then of course you can use the calculator, right? Calculator. And we talk about if you use the calculator, you don't score full marks. That's the downside of using calculator to solve simultaneous equations. Right? But the upsides of using calculator to solve simultaneous equations is you speed up everything. You can get the answers very fast, right?
Yep.
Actually, there is a third approach for you to find the solution. Okay? Guess what? The third approach is graphical. Okay?
Okay.
How? All you need to do is draw this and draw this. So since we have a GeoGebra app, right?
Yeah.
We just make use of that lah. But of course, during exam you cannot use GeoGebra. If you cannot use GeoGebra, you use graph paper.
Method.
No. What if
Graph
you are asked?
paper.
Yeah. What if you are asked to use graphical? So graph paper.
Okay.
Okay. So imagine I use graph paper, which is here, but I want to speed up, so I draw the 7x plus 2y equals to 10. Done. Next one, I draw the 5x plus 2y equal to 6. And what do you see?
Question.
Yes?
How do you find like
What do you see?
the two lines?
Yep. And
Intersection point.
correct. Okay, let's zoom into the intersection point.
I have a question though.
Yeah?
How do you find like any of the x or y numbers?
Later on.
Do graphical.
Later.
Okay.
Later on. So the intersection point is 2 and minus 2, right?
Minus 2, yeah.
This 2 is the x equal to 2. This negative 2 is the y equal to negative 2. 为什么? Because 2 represent the x coordinate. The negative 2 represent the y coordinate. Yeah, correct. So, let me get this out. So by using this, equation 1 and equation 2, and they have an intersection point. So looks like I have to erase the underlying. Oh, no need. I can actually do it somewhere else. Okay, so this equation 1 is, can you tell me the equation 1 equation? Is 7.
Equation 1 equation.
No, 3a.
Oh, 7x plus 2y equals to 10.
Okay, the second equation?
5x plus 2y equals to 6.
Double check. No, I don't double check. Okay, good. Okay, so I use GeoGebra here, and I just sketch by keying it into the app, and then I just key this into the app, and then they have an intersection point. Okay, instead of using intersection point, I just use cross. Cross means this means intersection point. I just want to speed up. So intersection point in this case is 2 and negative 2, and this 2 is the x coordinate, right? And this minus 2 is the y coordinate, right? Okay, so therefore the graphical method here shows the x coordinate is 2, so that means the x equal to 2. The y coordinate is negative 2, so therefore y equal to minus 2. And you compare this answers to your elimination method answer. Where's your elimination method answer?
2 and negative 2.
Are they the same?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the significance of intersection point then?
It will show the x and y x and y.
Basically, it will give you the solutions
give the solution.
to the simultaneous equations.
Okay, but how to find the numbers, like the x and y numbers for the graphical thing?
So let's say you are trying to tell me how to sketch this.
Yes.
How to sketch this? You are talking about how to sketch this, right? Give yourself some values of x and y. Which number you want to start with?
3.
Huh? Why so funny? You should test the negative side, you should test the 0, and you should test the positive side. So that means when you can start with 3, but if you start with 3, you will go 4, 5, 6, right? And you will miss out the negative portion and the 0 portion. So in order to draw a good graph, you should cover the
Negative 0 and the positive.
negative 0,
The negative,
yeah,
the
portion,
0,
yes,
and the
positive portion, correct. That's why I pick negative 1, 0, and 1. Of course, you can pick more, but at least 3 points.
Okay.
So at least 3 points, you will get your respective y, right? Right? Then do you still need to ask me how you sketch this?
No.
Do the same thing. Give yourself a table of x and y, and the value for x is negative 1, 0, and 1. Then you will get another table. So you have one table for the first equation, you have another table for the second equation. So one table will give you one line, one table will give you another line. And then these both lines, if they have an intersection point, the intersection point will give you the solution. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good.